Hey guys, it's another vlog, another beach vlog. I think it became our thing. We're just vlogging in different beaches.
We have a beach obsession.
Yeah, we definitely have a beach obsession now. Obsession. We can't even say the words. We forgot to record an intro before we left, so we stopped in San Mateo, in front of the Sony building here. Pretty cool. Pretty cool building. But we're still about an hour away because of traffic. Should be there soon. We'll see you guys at Half Moon Bay. We're 9 miles away, but it's like 40, almost 50 minutes of traffic still. We're like right in the middle of it right now. We're so close, but yet so far away, but it's okay. We'll make it there. Huh, babe?
Yeah. So this is Pablo's new toy. His name is Poo Poo. So we went to American Eagle and we were about to pay, right? We were in line and Pablo saw this. Spent a whole $5 on this.
It's the best $5 I've ever spent. He relieves my stress when I'm driving. I keep him on my dashboard.
His name is Poo Poo. It's a stress reliever. It's sticky.
See? I was stressed because of this traffic. No, I'm not.
I guess.
When you were playing that record, what were you thinking?
We made it to Half Moon Bay.
Yeah, we're here. We found a cool little spot to chill. A little bit of a breeze, but it's not too cold, so it's nice. Good. Yeah, it feels really nice. We're about to bust out some drinks.
We're about to jump in the ocean too.
Yeah, we might jump in. You jump in? If you jump in, I'll jump in after you.
It's too cool.
Maybe I'll jump in first.
Let's see if we can find a dolphin today.
But it's people surfing. Waves are big.
Yeah.
We got some secret poison in the back. I'll show you guys right now. And some food as well. Look at this. Ooh. You ready for some of this?
Yeah. I haven't had this one in a long time.
About to make the first drink. This stuff is freaking gold. Shout out to El Cejas. This stuff's awesome. Right, babe? Yes. She put me on this stuff.
Bum.
We got squirt. Gonna dip it in there. Put some tequila in here. And we got a perfect mixed oil drink.
Bartender Pablo over here.
Yeah. I'm a pro now. Years of drinking. Low-key alcoholic. So, let's try this stuff out. Oh my god, how sexy is that? Gee, yeah, you put a lot, babe. Look at this, fresh bottle.
Cheetos are a must.
With some Patron.
Atínale.
Ooh.
I smell it.
Second one.
Big.
Is that a lot?
Yeah.
That was a lot, huh? Cheers.
Cheers.
Love you.
Love you.
Subway's like our go-to food when we're like out and about.
Cheers.
Cheers. Annie is super upset right now. Why are you upset, babe?
I had one last bite of my Subway sandwich,
It's a
and
little piece.
it was a good ass bite because it had so much chicken and sauce. It looked so good, and I was enjoying that sandwich, wasn't I?
Yeah, she was like looking forward to that last
like,
bite full of meat.
And it freaking fell to the sand. I am so upset right now.
It was full of sand. She was literally trying to pick off of the grains because she was trying to save it.
And then
it
it fell again.
And then she dropped it again. It wasn't meant to be. I'll feed it to the birdies here soon. I think these birds are sensing the Subway that Annie dropped. Get away, dude. Go. My favorite candy. You want some Kit Kat?
Nope. Reese's are better.
Oh, actually Reese's are actually my second favorite, so I can't hate on Reese's. Listen to the crunch on this. Ooh. Should be a Kit Kat commercial. By the way, we're not sponsored by Kit Kat or Reese's or Squirt or Patron or Subway.
Fuck Subway. My sandwich fell.
It wasn't even Subway's fault. It
Yeah.
was your Butterfingers. What are you doing? Oh, okay.
So there's this bird that keeps coming back ever since I dropped my Subway sandwich. He's been here, and then Pablo threw a hot Cheeto at him, and he ate it. And oh my god, I thought this bird was gonna die.
He was like choking on a hot
He was
Cheeto,
struggling.
and he's back.
This
he's
is like
just
the
chilling.
third time he comes back.
Yeah, look at him, look at him. Oh, God. We're still here. We have dinner reservations at 5:30 to this Italian restaurant. She's like an addict for Italian food. What's the place called?
Mesa Luna.
Mesa Luna. Yeah, we're going to cool little Italian spot here in
Half
Moon Bay. What do you think you're gonna order from there?
Probably some fettuccine alfredo with chicken. I was looking
Like
at their
always.
menu, and I really wanted some bread because story time. Pablo introduced me to this place called Paisanos. It's like in the Sac area, and they have this bread called ricotta bread.
So delicious.
The best bread ever, and it's so cheesy and yummy. And so ever since I tried that, like I tried to find something similar. Sadly, they only have garlic bread, but they have meatballs with marinara sauce, so maybe we could try that like as an
Yeah.
appetizer.
If you guys been to Paisanos, that place has some good, the fried ravioli is so bomb. I don't think they have one out here, so.
Forget about Olive Garden. Go to Paisanos.
Paisanos. Hope we're saying it right. It's not
Uh-huh.
like paisas, see a bunch of paisas. See, I thought I was gonna go there and see a bunch of paisas eating burritos and tacos. But no, it's some pretty good Italian food.
We're leaving the beach now.
Yes.
It's nice and sunny now.
It's a cool beach. I like it.
We have reservations at 5:30, so we're gonna go explore, see what's around. And yeah,
You got some sandy toes, babe.
I know.
You tired?
Yes.
Oh my God.
Walking in the sand.
Oh my God. But yeah, we're going to eat some food. Catch you guys over there. Later.
So we finished eating. The food was bomb. Pablo's about to fly his drone. What if the birds attack it?
I know, we're about to find out.
So Pablo was flying his drone over those big birds, and the bird missed it like by this much.
I thought the bird was attacking my drone, but I just think it didn't see it and it barely dodged it. But that shit
That was
scared
crazy.
my heart dropped. I thought I lost my drone. I thought it was falling in the water. But check this shot out. Check it out.
So I think we're done for today.
We're all done.
End of the vlog.
This is it. End of vlog 4. Hope you guys liked the video.
Thank you for watching.
And like and subscribe. We got a beautiful sunset here.